Hi friends, this video shows how to find all free games in the PlayStation Store. Please don't forget to subscribe this channel. Please like and share the video. First go to Games tab. Select Games tab from top left corner. Go to PlayStation Store. Now we are inside PlayStation Store. Here on top, go to right side. Select Browse. Then go down. Now on left side you can find Sort and filter option. Select it. Then select price. Here we have to select free. Done. Then go back. See, now we are seeing all free games in the PlayStation Store. From here we can select one game. Then select download. So this way we can list all free games, then install. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please subscribe this channel. Please like and share the video.